Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to use the MySQL or MySQL command line tool. The MySQL command line utility is one client tool that will always be available to you, even though you are most likely going to use MySQL Workbench as you learn MySQL. However, you should know how to use the command line utility too. To start using command line tool, you can just enter on Ubuntu Linux uh, sudo mysql and hit enter, and you just need to enter the password. So you will be given the root access for MySQL. And now at the MySQL prompt, we are going to select the database. When you first connect to MySQL, you do not have a database open for use. Before you can perform any database operation, you need to select that database. To do this, you can use the use command. So let's see how to do it. For example, to use the MySQL database, you would enter something like this. Type in use MySQL semicolon and hit enter, and you can see the over here message database changed. And now we are going to do the analysis. The use statement does not return any results, so you cannot see any like output data. And now if you want to list the database, all the databases names, you can use this command. Let's see, show databases. It is very useful if you don't know the name of the databases in your MySQL. You can use this command and you get this output. These are the default databases. This show databases command returns a list of available databases. Included in this list, we can see information schema database over here. This is used by MySQL internally to obtain a list of tables within the database. We can use show tables. You can type in show tables. You need to select the database first. So our one is selected MySQL. So we are going to type in show table. Forgot the semicolon. So, and these are tables in our MySQL. So our show tables commands returned a list of available tables in the currently selected database. We can use a show to display a table's columns. We have here table server, so we are going to show its columns. So we can type show columns from servers. Hit enter. And here's the output. You can also use show status to display extensive server status information. So let's try that.